So I am our customer relations manager here at Green Home Systems. And I just wanted to ask you, what made you go solar and what was your favorite thing? And who helped you? Would you refer a friend after going solar?
Why we went solar is because we live in Arizona and it's so sunny down here and we wanted to save money. And my favorite thing is so far is we didn't have to pay electricity for 7 months. It was so awesome. Then during the winter time down here in Arizona, you got sunshine and we did not pay 1 penny for electricity for 7 months. During
awesome.
the summer, that's a different story, but it's not as much. Some of the people who don't have solar during the summer, they pay $600 to $800, maybe $900 a month for electricity. We've been paying only $200, $250. And yes, I refer a friend. I did refer a couple people here around my neighborhood. Yeah, I love it. And awesome job, friendly service, fast. People came fast and did it. Actually, they did it when we wasn't even home. We got back and then they put the new converter in and it's been working ever since and no problem. Awesome job.
Wow. And who helped you out with your solar panels?
I think it was the Green Solar. And they put up the panels. It's real awesome. I got like 24 panels up on my roof. I have a very big house.
Awesome.
And yeah, it's just awesome.
Awesome. And I think Mara was your sales person too. Was it very
yes,
Mara everything to you?
Yeah, she helped everything. She got everything together. And she was telling me that how the finances went, and she got a hold of all the contractors and everything, and she set it all up, and they called me. And actually we was leaving Arizona because it was way too hot, and they went ahead and came in July, and I know it was 120 degrees in July here, and the people put the solars up in 120 degrees weather. That was awesome. We got back here in September and we didn't pay any electricity until April, I think. April or May, we paid electricity.
So
that was awesome. Yes.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for this testimonial. I think many people watching would definitely want to go solar after watching this.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of saving money.
Yes, and that's always a good thing.
Okay.